Why do Kinesis partition keys matter? They matter because partition keys determine which Kinesis shard a producer writes a record into. So in theory, if you had a partition key called Ang and another one called Katara, this would put these two partition keys into two different shards. Right? Well, maybe. Let's break down how shards actually use partition keys. The partition key is hashed using the MD5 hashing algorithm. Shards have what's known as hash ranges. Two different partition keys could fall between the same hash range of one shard. All this is cool, but let's see this in action. Go ahead and create a data stream with two shards in it. Next, use git clone or download the project from GitHub. Please see the link in the description. Open the project in the best IDE. That's right, Notepad. And after you change a couple of settings, you can enable dark mode. Now that you have the project open, make sure the stream name and region are correct in the constants class file. Now go to main, and let's start this up in debug mode. The print shards description method prints the starting and ending hash for each shard. Let's see which shard the Ang and Katara partition key would write to. And we are writing both keys to the same shard. Surprise, surprise. Now you may be wondering, how can we guarantee a partition key's hash will be in the shard's hash range? We could generate thousands of random strings that will eventually be in the correct range, or we can use the explicit hash key instead. If you look in the send message method, you'll see that we have the option to use the explicit hash key instead of a partition key. The explicit hash key guarantees we will write to a specific shard. We are going to use the partition keys Ang and Katara, then use the explicit hash key and see where the data ends up. So we're going to let the program finish. Now navigate back to the UI and go to the data viewer. As you can see, one shard has both message 1 and message 2 from when we're using the partition keys, but only has message 4 from when we're using the explicit hash key. The other shard has message 3 and no other messages. That's Kinesis Partition Keys in a nutshell. Smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this.